Crypto Underground is back with another video, and today we're gonna cover this dump that we are seeing with Bitcoin right now, guys. Even though Ethereum is nicely pumping right now, we're gonna have a look into that, and of course major updates on some of the best newest coins that I bought recently. There are major updates going on, guys, so we're gonna have a look into that, especially for everyone that is interested in new AI Web3 platforms. Then of course I got you covered here. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel, guys. Check out all links in the video description to all those new upcoming crypto projects that I'm buying in right now, and that you also can have access to it. If you use my links, you can end up to the official websites, especially to the coins that we are covering today. And of course, if you're looking out for some crypto exchanges, if you use my sign up links here to Bybit, Binance, Phemex, and so on, you get some extra deposit bonuses, of course, with the first deposit. And check out all the other useful crypto tools that I'm using here for trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, all the coins out there. Welcome everyone. I'm Crypto Underground. We have over 1,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you very much for your great support. Feel free to be subscribed here, guys. I update you every day with the newest news about the Bitcoin, what is going on here in the charts, and of course also whenever I enter into a trade, or of course buying into new coins, especially the ones that are very hyped right now, I cover that always and share that with you. So I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a dude here on YouTube sharing all my ideas and TA price expectations, and of course own ideas with you guys. So keep that in mind. I'm just here to entertain you, and this is all no financial advice. And we're gonna dive here straight into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is having right now a big rejection out of the $123,000 level that we created yesterday. A lot of people are freaking out right now. Was that the top here, or are we just gonna come down to maybe close the CME gap? As I also told you yesterday, guys, we opened up a new CME gap down to 114k. It's not yet closed. That's why I believe it is possible that we could see one more leg down here to 115, 114k maybe, and then start here a nice continuation to the upside. Because overall I'm still very bullish. But if you're trading with my indicators that you can get access to with the link here to Telegram, you can contact me here if you want to get access to my indicators. You can see that right now, after the sell signal and after all bearish crosses that we had, especially this one over here, you can see that we have this free fall. And once we're crossing bullish here again, like we did also here in the past, after being in oversold condition, I believe that we could see here a very big bounce and continuation to the upside. What we have to keep an eye on is of course here the daily time frame, because also here we are about to cross bearish like in the 4-hour time frame before. Here the target would be down to $111,000, and on the weekly time frame, of course, we have also to watch out. Here we are still in an uptrend. The weekly time frame is still looking good, but as I told you guys, here once we are triggering a sell signal like here, we could face here a more severe corrective phase, even down to 97 or 98k. So yes, at the moment sub 100k is still possible for Bitcoin, but I don't expect that this next pullback will be heavy, because the weekly time frame is still shifted to the upside. And if or once in the lower time frames like the 4-hour and daily time frame, we are looking again more bullish here, of course a nice bounce and continuation towards 150k is very likely incoming. So yes, guys, I am currently looking out to long Bitcoin. In the next 3-hour buy signal, I definitely gonna open up a long position and scale it in. I'm gonna update you and inform you once I do that, because also we are seeing some strength here in the altcoins. Also Ethereum is pushing nicely here to the upside. Even though Bitcoin is coming down a bit, I think that we're gonna see right now, whenever Bitcoin is having those big pumps, like a redistribution into altcoins, and this is what we're seeing right now. Bitcoin a bit going sideways and down, while the altcoins are going up, especially Ethereum. And this makes me extremely bullish and confident for this next altcoin season and these next coming weeks and months for overall the crypto space. That's why I'm also buying into new coins that are upcoming, because I think that we're gonna see a very big altcoin season in front of us. Of course, no promises and no expectations, guys, but you know how it is. Whenever the altcoin season is back and whenever Bitcoin is pushing hard to the upside, we are seeing a lot of new coins as well pushing nicely higher and higher, especially those low market cap coins. And we have currently a bunch of them. There is a complete list that you can check out here in the video description. I bought all of them, but today we're just gonna cover a few highlights. And the number 2, of course, Bitcoin Hyper and the number one token 6900, and then also Cloud AI, a new AI token and AI project that is coming out, kind of a ChatGPT but in the crypto space, and this one is finished now. So if you bought with me or if you signed up to this project with me, you should have gotten now a lot of free coins, or also if you purchase those coins, the pre-market phase is over now, and there is like this last chance to get on board on this website here, Cloud AI Fair Launch. I'm gonna put it here in the video description, because here they entered into the pre-market phase for the next 7 days, and you can still buy only with Ethereum. Before you could buy also with other coins, also stake here the coins directly and so on. I bought here a bit more than half of an Ethereum into this one, 45,000 coins I bought, and you still can enter into this one by using the link in the video description for Cloud AI. You will be forwarded here to this website where you can buy basically into pre-market coins, and you can see that also here everything is explained, basically what is Cloud AI and how you can use that, because this is going to be kind of a new ChatGPT but for smart contracts. That means that everyone can create NFTs, ERC20 tokens and so on without the need of knowledge. That means without the need of knowing how to code, because you can just put in here what you want to do, and then immediately you can create basically everything that you want here. And at the moment it's for free to try that out, but in the future you're gonna need the coin in order to interact with this AI model, and this makes me very bullish about this coin. That's why I bought also into this coin, and you have here 7 days left to also get on board if you want to buy. Then of course we have a completely new meme printer called Token 6900, should be the successor of SPX 6900 that also went viral, and hopefully this one will also go viral, and that's why I bought into this one. Also here connect wallet, whatever wallet you want to use that is supported, and then you can buy and stake. You can see that they are raising rapidly a lot of money here, because more and more people are getting on board, and also here the staking reward is 104%, and that means that also here you can buy and stake those coins and accumulate more until the launch. Then we have Bitcoin Hyper, guys. This is a Bitcoin layer 2. Let me refresh here the website, because I know that the API dropped a lot here since many people are now jumping on board into this one. I also did an update video yesterday, guys, so go and watch it in my channel, because this one over here is currently also very hyped, and a lot of people are jumping on board. A completely new layer 2 on top of Bitcoin, and at the same time we're gonna have a new meme coin basically here. So Bitcoin Hyper is here linked. We have Token 6900, we have also some others of course, and also Cloud AI. I'm gonna put them all at the top here, guys, so you cannot miss it out. And yeah, check it out, guys, especially the Bitcoin Hyper layer 2 video that I did yesterday. Here we got a lot of views and likes as well, because somehow right now those layer 2s on Bitcoin are very popular, and this one also is combining basically a meme coin together with a utility coin. So that's why it could be very bullish to watch out right now also into Bitcoin Hyper. That's why I have invested, and that's why I'm in here into all those coins, because I think that the big altcoin season is in front of us, and next to the tier 1 altcoins I like to have also new coins with low market cap, because all of them, Ethereum, Solana, Doge, Pepe, Mudeng and so on, they are all very high market cap, and that's why I also want to be diversified into low market cap coins to ride the next big wave to the upside once the real altcoin season is starting. So be subscribed, guys. I keep you updated every day. That's it for today. Make sure to check out all links in the video description, guys. Welcome to the party. Welcome to our nice crypto family that is growing every day. Be part of it. And of course, also let me know in the comment section if you have any other coins that you want me to cover. Thank you for your great support. Crypto Underground, over for now.